Testing. All right, guys. I'm going to try to make this video as fast as possible. And it's a simple concept. I'm going to just cover the mega cap chart and Bitcoin because it's all that matters. I say this all the time. The only technical that matters is the one that's proven itself, right? This is the entire life of Bitcoin, right? The entire life of Bitcoin. During the bull cycles, right? The gold and purple line is supported for higher high. It's supported, and then when the cycle's over, even though it finds support, it does a counter trend rally and it bear flags. This is the concept of a bear flag, right? There's the pole, there's the flag, breakdown, lower low, right? Bear flag. Okay. But since the inception of Bitcoin, since the beginning, right? During the bull cycles, it's supported. Even in the downtrend, it's supported, and then it bears trends or bear flags, and then it breaks down, right? So this is 2013. Bull cycle, supported, 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 right? Supported all the way to 2017. We break down. Even though we break down and the cycle's ended, it finds support between the gold and purple band. It bear flags yet again, right? Breaks down, right? Then we have accumulation phase throughout all these years. And then we have the 2021 bull cycle. What happens? Rally, 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 break down, find support again between the gold and purple line, makes a higher high, breaks back down, and then the cycle's done, right? What happens here? What do we have? We have our rally, 2023 to 2025, right? Found support in the gold and purple line, found support in the gold and purple line, and now we're breaking down. So this is the area that matters. Guess what? We're finding ourselves at PC data when this matters. It is very likely, no matter what the case, that we find a rally right here, right? To where we base here, and then we either counter-trend rally and then bear flag, right? So let's say we do this, and then bear flags, and then it breaks down, right? And then we go to 50K. Or we go to new highs, which is literally what I had drawn here a couple days ago. But the only indicator that matters is the one that's proven itself. This indicator has proven itself the entire life of Bitcoin. That's all that matters. That's the only thing you need to realize. So as scary as it is, this is it. I think PC data is going to tell us, right? So if PC data is hot, I think what's possible is we gapped it or we sell off right here. Everyone becomes bearish. All the retail become bearish. All the retail sell. They're like, because it's associated to the data point, right? So now psychologically, everyone's like, I know why the market's crashing. It's because of this. The market's going to continue crashing. So then all the retail is going to sell in the market. But then when all the retail sell in the market, it's too heavy retail. So what they're going to do is they're going to fucking reverse it, slingshot it up, do a little half back, get all of those short those longs that converted to late bears, get them to go back to bullish and then break back down and ruin them, right? Or we have the potential here for PC data to come in cooler to where we go to new highs. That's the catalyst. We're literally at this part, the most important part, right? And that's the catalyst. Here's another thing. Let me show you this. So this is the mega cap 6 chart, right? The only one that matters is the one that's proven itself. You can see that in the history of this chart, the RSI has gotten oversold only 4 other times, and we're there again, right? Let's see what happened in 10 years of data. In 10 years of data, when we've gotten this oversold, here was a bear market, right? Regardless, when we hit this level, we still rallied, right? We still rallied from this low 9%. That's a massive move. That's a massive move because that 9% would represent 30, 40% rallies in pretty much every stock. So even then, bear flag into a lower low into the higher, right? What about here? Right here, created the bottom into a big rally, higher highs. What about here? Even though oversold, markets crashing, markets ending, created the bottom, still created the bottom, went to higher highs, right? What about here? This is the beginning of the bull market that we're in now. Created the bottom, went to all-time highs for 2 years. We're here again. Regardless of what's happening, this is a bottom. This is proving that it's a bottom. and we should consider buying this dip, right? The entire 10-year chart shows that this is a bottom. Okay, now that's the RSI. What about the chart? With the chart, you can see that this ascending support has been supported since the beginning of the bull market. We're right above it, right? We're right above it. It looks almost like this. This sell-off looks like this. I said we are here a couple days ago in the other video, and I think that's where we're at. You can see previously that we are supported here. We've been supported in the middle of the channel before, so it's possible to be supported here, but there could be a capitulation event where we drop down here and then it causes a reversal. This is also in monthly demand. I mean, it's that simple. Just look at those two charts and just understand that history says that this is at least a counter trend rally. And if this is a counter trend rally, we should rally significantly higher than yesterday's high, even if we're meant to go lower.